Hey guys, how you guys doing? Welcome back to a brand new video. For today's video, we are going to be skirting around country roads basically. We're going to be going on country roads and we're going to be driving. Because for some reason, a lot of you guys like to just see me drive. So I've got a camera here. I'm going to be sticking cameras on the outside of the outside of the car. Basically, we're just going to have a bit of fun around country roads basically. Without further ado, safety fucking first, mate. Oh, I ain't dying today, bitch. So we are on the roads right now, and honestly, I'm quite excited for the next couple of days because, well, I'm filming today. And then tomorrow, I'm actually completely stopping filming for the weekend because I'm going to be going to Devon with my girlfriend and her family. It's going to be so fun, honestly. Looking at some sheep, sightseeing some sheep, some cows, the coastline. Ooh, damn. It's really nice there because it's so quiet, you know what I mean? It's like everyone there is so boring, but it's nice. It's just a getaway. I have no idea where I'm going right now, to be honest. Alright, we're basically getting onto some roads now. Oh, this is giveaway. Imagine I just went onto that. Oh, look at this. Alright, let's get onto some roads. Hopefully my car's all warmed up now. I love the sound of my car when it like revs, you know what I mean? Like it sounds a bit like a just aeroplane or something. Just gonna do a little point turn here because I have no idea where I am. Don't hit these barrels. Come on, come on, come on. Like driving in like these roads, they're so fun. They're much funner than driving on, like going on a straight road maybe. Like on the motorway, going fast on there, that's no fun. You know what I mean? I don't think it's any fun at all, you know what I mean? Going fast down the motorway. Oh shit, it's school. Oh fuck.
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
Damn, I could have killed that squirrel. I feel like going round corners, you know, going around these places, it feels like you're going a lot faster than you are. Which is sick, you know, because if you haven't got a fast car like mine, it don't matter. Most of these roads are 60s. These are tight fucking roads. 60. I've been to that place. It's a little reservoir that is. Oh shit. Honestly, don't know how somebody can trust a horse. Like, if you trust a horse, you're a G because, like, they're massive. Look at this, it's beautiful. I want to go down there, actually. This, actually, I know what road this is. This is a dead quiet road in the countryside. You know, obviously there's horses back there, there's bikers. This is a road. This is the road where I did my first ever, like, start in a car. Like, because obviously on your first lesson you've got to go somewhere like quiet so you're not distracted or you're stressed. But yeah, this was it right here, I think. And I also did an emergency stop here because he taught me how to. There's a park here. We can pull in the park. Look.
Wow! Oh my god!
Look at that Aston Martin. Imagine going in a country driving that. Whew.
Downshift a second. Straight road.
Woo. My poor car. It's not made for. It's not made for this. It's such like a beautiful. It's like a movie, honestly. Oh, it's a really tight place, isn't it?
The only bad thing about these roads is obviously it's a one like lane thing. It's a one lane thing, so obviously if a car comes, you're slamming your brakes, trust me. And like you have to slam your brakes and go into the hedge as well.
Question for you guys, right? Would you rather live in like the countryside or would you rather live in like a city? Honestly, sometimes my gear changes are absolutely awful. Oh my god, here's a really creepy story of where we're going now. So we're going to basically this little country park thing where you can park your cars and you can walk your dogs around, you know, all that lovey-dovey stuff. Oh. Right, me and my girlfriend came here. We're parked in the middle of the grass. Let's say right there. It wasn't there, but let's just say right there. And this old man, like, obviously I'm filming actually. We're not there just for nothing. So I was filming. Obviously I got out the car to film and then I saw this guy pull up. What is that car doing? I saw this car pull up like at the entrance. Cause like to get to this bit, you need to go up a hill, this little hill, which has got like a gate. So I saw him at the entrance, didn't think much of it. He was just eating his lunch basically. And then, once he's finished eating his lunch, he pulls up right next to us. Bear in mind, you need to drive quite a like, not just a tiny bit to get to us. And he comes right up next to us, like right there, and he just stares at us. It's like, what is wrong with some people? Okay, all right then, guys. So unfortunately, that is the end of today's video. Like, my car's been through enough, guys. Come on. I know, like, it might be a really short video. But yeah, all we did in today's video is we had a little nice drive around. Didn't go crazy anywhere. Thank you guys so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't followed me already. That's where I post all the pictures. Subscribe if you are new, and yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for all the support. Hopefully you guys did enjoy, and I'll see you later in the next video.
Go. I think she trained to go, and everybody knows that girl she trained to go. Hey, fuck the mother.